Do you want to know the real cost of starting a dropshipping business in the UK? Now you might think it might cost you a fortune, but I'm going to tell you today that it's only going to cost you around £500, and that's a realistic price. And stay tuned and watch to the end, because I'm going to show you how to actually slash that cost that I've just told you by hundreds of pounds. So hi guys, my name is Des from the Ecom Corner. I help lots of entrepreneurs just like you start and grow e-commerce businesses. I answer several questions like this in my forum, and today I'm going to answer one of these in video form just so that you can actually understand it as well. So what are the absolute minimum costs to start? No, 100% you don't have to do this, but if you want to treat it as a real business, you probably want to be registered with Company House. I think at the moment it's about £12. Now you can absolutely start as a sole trader. You don't need to become a limited company, all right? So if you want to keep costs low, just start as a small single trader. But even if you did want to start a company, it only costs £12 to start a limited company in Company's House. And then you've got your domain name, which is going to cost you around about £11 to £15 a year. And I would recommend going with a platform like Shopify from day one. That's going to cost you around $39 per month. But if you see the link in the description, you can get a $1 trial for 30 days just to try it and see what you think. And then you're going to have a basic marketing budget, and I'll go into this later on, of about £250. And here's a quick tip for you. If you do want to try things out for 30 days, that $1 free trial means that you can actually set up your store, start trading, and actually start bringing some money in even before the end of the 30-day trial. So if that's something that interests you, I'd recommend doing that. As I just mentioned, you've got your Shopify fee. If you want to go down that route, that's going to be between $39 and $79 a month, depending on which plan you go for. Your apps and tools, which are going to cost you around £40 to £100 a month. And like I said to you before, you can probably get away initially with about £250 of a marketing budget, but that's going to scale as your business scales to about £1,000 to £2,000 a month. And then depending on which route you want to go with your dropshipping, you're going to probably spend about £200 on product samples. Now you might think that you can get most of these samples for free, but things have changed, and these days in most cases you're going to have to pay for those samples. Now if you want me to be straight with you, only 1.5% actually reached the £50,000 a month mark, so £50,000 in revenue. And depending on how much knowledge you have and how much help you have, the success rate is around 10 to 20%. And the difference between success and failure normally comes down to planning and how you actually test the products on your store. And in the next video after this, what is dropshipping and how does it work, I go into all of the details if that's something that interests you. Now here's something that most gurus won't tell you. The global dropshipping market is projected to hit £351.8 billion in 2025. But here's the kicker. Most of that growth is happening in specific niches. Let me show you which ones. So to minimally start this business, you need between £500 and £1,000. A standard start would be between £1,000 and £2,000. And if you want to be really professional about things, you're looking between £2,000 and £3,000. But like I said to you before, if you are stuck for money, you can actually do it with a $1 free trial and actually start dropshipping without even holding any products. And if you're still at the beginning stage and you want to actually increase your education on this, be sure to join my free community. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. So look guys, now you know how much it roughly costs to start one of these businesses. You definitely want to check out my next video where I'll show you what dropshipping is and how it actually works.